Welcome back. So now we have our read all available. Let's try and use it inside our app component for now. We'll move this later, but just to show you guys, inside the app component TS file, where right now we are initializing this, let's try and remove this now because we don't want to actually do this from in here now. We want to instead do it using our new service. So what we'll do is we'll say we're going to have a private service, and let's just call the service course service, and it's going to be a course service like this, courses. There we go. So now we can go here and we can say this courses equals course service. Oh, I remember this in front of it. This.course service dot read all, and that should return a list of courses. And now let's see if this still runs. And there's nothing there. Something's wrong. Let's try and open the console, and you'll actually see the reason why is because I've not provided a provider for the service. So we need to add a course service so it knows, inside Angular knows there's a service available called course service that it can actually dependency inject. You'll do that by adding a provider of the type course service. So I'll show you, I just wanted to show you this error so you guys know what's going on here. If you see something like this, no provider for whatever service you're building, you need to do this. Go into your app module TS file and add a new provider right here. And then eject it off, import it. There we go, and now it should run again. Let's see if it works again. And there we go. Now we're actually grabbing the data from a service. Oh my god, I also want to remove that blue stuff. I'm really not fond of that. Let's go into the style here and just set the style for now to empty because blue is just not that beautiful. There we go. So now we've actually not only created a service, we're also using it inside this module right here where we are dependency injected the service right here, and then we're using the service right here. Not only that, we've actually also gone into the app module and added the service as a provider. So now we have a fully running service that's been dependency injected. Next, let's try and look at how we'll get some data from the wire instead, some real web data, right, from some kind of backend. See you in the next lesson.